Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am doing another installment for the McGrath Opulence collection, and we are going to do the third palette. I already did a look with Dark Star, I already did a look with Bronze Temptation, and now we're going to use Metalmorphosis. Now this is a palette that, you know, is alluding to the old Metamorphosis. It's alluding to the old Metamorphosis collection that you released 2 or 3 years ago, something like that. And I bought it and I have it, and it's beautiful, it's very pigmented, their big shadows are very frosty and metallic, and this is kind of inspired by it. So when she says inspired, it's not exactly the same pigment. I have the unfortunate, chance to compare it. It's not the same pigments as the other ones. The colors are very similar. The pigment's a little bit different, but nevertheless, I think this is a good palette, and I'm gonna try to create a look using only this palette. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna start out with the NARS eyeshadow base, smudge proof eyeshadow base. Oh, and as always, I have my full face on. Laura Mercier Bobby Brown foundation mixed together, stipple on the skin with a sponge. Concealer Secret Camouflage number 5 by Laura Mercier, Trinidad foundation stick for my contour, and a highlight from NARS, a highlight from Milk, which is a NARS holographic highlighter. Brows Anastasia in Ebony. And everything is set with translucent powder by Laura Mercier. So now I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush from Bobby Brown, and I'm going to use the color Metallurgy. Yeah, Metallurgy, and I'm gonna apply it all over the eyes. It's gonna give it a metallic finish, but it'll also give it a nice base so I can start working the other shadows on top. Okay, now I'm gonna start with a smoky, and then for this look, my inspiration is like 80s, like those terror posters from the 80s, something really, really mysterious and really dramatic and dark, so that's what we're going for today. Hopefully I can make that happen, we'll see. And I'm going to the color Smoked Amethyst. Alright guys, it's happening. And it's kind of weird, like applying all metallics. It gives it this really fun textured look that's kind of grungy and messy, and I'm kind of into it. I'm going to use a little bit of water and see if I can intensify it a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm going to use another brush and bring this to the bottom, and I'm going to make the bottom really smoky. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is create more shadows. So I'm going to smoke this down a little bit. Okay, and I really want to bank on this amethyst, so I'm going to play a little bit more in the corners. Okay, now it's time to like turn it up and put the silver in it. So I'm just using a little white concealer to cut the crease. And this is kind of cool, it gives me this sleepy type of look because there's so much dark, you know, on the bottom part of the eye. But I want to lay down the silver here on the lid, and hopefully they'll balance out the look nicely. Okay, now it's time to lay down. I look super tired, like, hey guys, I'm the model, I look a little different in the pictures, I just had a rough day, so I'm using Sterling. Okay, see, that doesn't look as bad. Totally brought it back. I'm going to use my finger and use Sterling to press it a little bit harder into the eye. Yeah, it looks a little better. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and I'm going to finish the look, then I'm going to move on to the second part of the look, which is going to be lips. Okay, so I just put some mascara and liner, and I just noticed that unfortunately I ran out of all my battery for my microphone, which means you're going to have shitty audio until the end of the video. I promise I will get some batteries tomorrow, so the audio should be fine, but hopefully I can like change it a little bit so it's not as bad. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to do the lips, and for the lips I'm going to do Elson from the Opulence collection, and it's just a red. Okay, now that we have that on, I'm going to use the gold standard, which is the super yellow golden shadow, and we're just going to lightly apply it on top of the red lipstick. Now I'm going to use my finger to apply the same shadow on the lip, and then I'm going to blend it with a brush. Okay guys, so the video cut off unfortunately, and what I did is I put a little bit more gold in the middle so you can see it creates a nice gradient, and I just blended it with the lipstick. That's about it, but this is the look. I'm really happy with it. It's very, it's super dramatic, it's very dark. It almost reminds me of like the 1920s when they used to do the smoky eye, kind of like this, like really low. And it's extremely moody. Like, I haven't done a look that's like this, that's super moody. I'm happy I put the lipstick because the lipstick helps to balance out everything. I know that's crazy, you know, because it's a red lipstick with smoky eyes, but because the smoky eye is so dramatic, I feel like you needed something else to kind of balance it off a little bit. If I put a nude, it would be a little crazy looking, you know, and this kind of establishes a little order because it's nice and clean, and this is the chaos which is around the eyes. So that is it for my first look using the Metalmorphosis palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, I am putting a little video so you can see like little close-ups of it, and also some shots that I took with my phone that I'm going to put on Instagram. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can put them on the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. If you're enjoying this content, go ahead and hit the bell button so you're notified when I have a new video. And don't forget to like and share the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.